Hey everyone, welcome back to Beni Cooks and Vlogs. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple Kerala fish recipe using coconut, and it's none other than the delicious Meen Peera pattichathu or anchovy fish with coconut. So here I have taken 2 pieces of Kokum star or Malapur tamarind, which is washed, and I have made into small pieces, and with 1 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt will soak for 10 to 15 minutes so that the sourness seeps into the water. You may also use raw mango if you don't have this Kokum star, and try not to add more water. So these are the ingredients which I'll be using for today's recipe: anchovy fish or white sardine fish, that is 400 gram after cleaning, 10 to 12 sliced shallots, roughly chopped ginger, ten pieces of cloves which is chopped, one cup of grated coconut, 5 pieces of sliced green chilies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, two pieces of Kokum star soaked in hot water. Take a non-stick pan and add all the ingredients one by one. 1 cup grated coconut, 10 to 12 piece sliced shallots, 5 piece sliced green chilies, 10 piece of chopped garlic, chopped ginger, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, (400 gram) of anchovy fish or white sardine fish. Now mix them very nicely with hand. And after mixing all the ingredients, add the Kokum star which is soaked and kept, and mix again nicely. Now we'll start cooking. First we'll keep in a high flame till it starts boiling. By covering the lid, we'll cook for 5 minutes. You may stir them gently with a wooden spoon and cook for another 5 minutes in a medium flame, allowing the flavors to melt together. Now the fish is cooked. You may keep it as a semi-gravy or make it little more dry. That's depend on you. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share for more cooking videos. And thank you for watching till the end. Thank you.